about this page. Okay. Open this page, everyone. Open this page, everyone. Page number 37. And look over here. Cocoon to silk, second point, reeling. Here. Second paragraph. Okay. The fibers are too fine and delicate to handle, so many of them are reeled together to yield a stronger thread called raw silk, and the damage of it.
Entire paragraph है.
Yes, entire paragraph. Okay, waste cocoons are used to produce spun silk. All right. I hope everybody must have done.
Ma'am, आपने attendance.
I'll take later on in the last 10 minutes. I'll start the attendance at 9:40. Okay. All right. The next one. Just move towards the next question. Let me turn the page. Yeah. Yes. The next question is. You guys may raise your hand to give the answer. With the help of a flow chart, describe the life cycle of a silkworm. Okay, Astha Singh wants to give the answer. Yes, Astha, you may, dear.
On page number 36.
Okay, so let's open
Figure
page number 36, everyone. Let's open it. Yes, Astha.
Ma'am, the figure 3.5 life cycle of a silk moth.
Yes, but it is asking you for the flow chart. It's in the form of diagram. And here you are being asked in the form of flow chart. So you know what you guys have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Towards the concept map. Here, are you able to see here? What is the question? The question is, with the help of flow chart, describe the life cycle of a silkworm. So here is the flow chart for the life cycle of a silkworm.
Yes, ma'am. It's rectangular.
Yes, I have also provided you this. मैंने भी तो provide करवाया है ना आपको? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Silk moth to silk flow. Okay, life cycle आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. And on the upper side also it's being mentioned. Eggs hatching hota hai, then larva comes out, which feeds on the mulberry leaves. They get converted into cocoons. Cocoons are boiled into hot water, or you can say cheated into oven, and the cocoons will die. Then reeling will occur. Okay, silk thread will be made. All right. So you may use this flow chart over there. Okay, everybody understood?
मैम ये वाला फ्लो चार्ट बनाना है. मैम ये भी और लास्ट लाइन भी.
बेटा it is the same. आप concept map से लीजिए या ऊपर से लीजिए.
मैम नीचे वाला भी बना सकते हैं, ऊपर वाला भी.
Yes, better होगा आप नीचे वाला बना लो.
मैम
you may use this one.
raw silk thrown और ये.
Yes, this one.
Okay, ma'am.
This one. Okay, life cycle of a silk moth is written over here now. And that is being asked to you. Life cycle of a silkworm.
And please repeat the answer.
Beta, here it is. Life cycle of a silk moth flow chart. Are you able to see? In the concept map of the chapter. Alright. Okay.
Ma'am, can we make the upper one?
This one now. Are you just look at my screen? Life cycle of a silk moth. Are you not able to see here? My screen is visible to you guys.
Then adult silk moth पे लिखना है क्या?
हाँ जी. Life cycle of a silk moth. Okay. Eggs. Then laying होगा adult silk moth. Then silk moth emerges. Silk moth will give egg. Egg will convert into larva. Larva will convert into pupa. Pupa will convert into cocoon.
हम कोई चीज भी बना सकते हैं, ये भी और वो भी.
हाँ, Anyone you may make. All right, let's move towards the next question now. The next question is, okay, you guys may make the upper one. Okay, do this thing. Make the upper one. This one.
मैम हम सेकंड बना देंगे.
Yes, if it is comfortable, anyone you may make. It is the same. Female silk moth will lay the egg. Egg will convert into larva. Larva will convert into cocoons. Okay, and then cocoons will be treated, dye. Anyone you may take. If you are comfortable with the upper one, you may go with that. Okay. Now let's move towards the next question. What is sericin and how it is softened? What is sericin and how it is softened? Two have raised their hands. Only, am I having only two with me? Only two students are there with me. Yes, Palak, please give me the answer.
Ma'am, first slide में ना मेरा at the end.
Sorry, you are not properly audible actually.
I am saying that मैंने first slide मेरा लिया है, खुद से बनाया है.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे वो
मैम आप बाद में आंसर भी दोगे क्या?
Beta, when we are marking, then it's better for you guys to mark now and then write in your own words. Okay.
Yes,
We're discussing. Yes.
First,
Yes,
you will
Palak.
write that silicon is a silk fiber. Then, on page number 37,
Page number 37. Everybody, please open page number 37.
ओपन कर लिया.
Let me also turn. Okay, here it is. Yes.
from cocoon to silk, boiling first point में last 3 lines. The hot water
Boiling. Cocoon to silk. Here.
last 3
Everybody
lines.
look over here. Boiling.
Wait.
Last 3 lines. The hot water softens the silk gum silicon so to allow the unwinding of silk fiber as one continuous thread.
Okay. The hot water will soften the silk gum, that is sericin, so as to allow the unwinding of silk fiber as one continuous thread. Okay. Okay. Very good. Alright. Sericin क्या होता है? What is sericin actually? Silk
मैम एक
gum.
बार स्टार्टिंग से बता दो आंसर.
Better boiling, last third line.
Okay.
Okay, the hot water up to the thread. First, you have to define what is sericin. What is the sericin? It is the
The hot water
silk
softens the silk gum sericin so as
Yes.
to allow the unwinding of silk fiber as one continuous thread.
Yes, first you have to tell what is sericin. One line you have to write by yourself. You may write sericin is a silk gum.
Thread
Sericin is a
Ma'am,
silk
thread.
gum. Okay. All right.
Same ma'am.
Let's move to the next question now. Next question. Long question. What is meant by the following terms? First, shearing of sheep. Shearing of sheep. So you have to you just don't have to give the definition only. Okay, that only the removal of the fleece is called shearing. You may include some more points that shearing is done in the early summer time and it's being done just nearby the student and it doesn't harm the sheep. Okay, 2-3 more lines you guys have to add which are related to
मैम
shearing.
वो तो अपने आप ही लिख लेंगे.
Sorry?
Easy है. मैम अपने आप ही लिख लेंगे ना वो lines.
Yes, you guys may write then too. I just want to discuss it once in the class. So I want to hear from Sujan now. Yes, Sujan and Mani.
Yes.
Yes,
Page
Sujan.
number
speak up.
34. Page number 34.
Yes. Everybody please open page number 34. This page, everyone open up.
Topic step 1, shearing. In this
Yes.
last fourth line, last word, the process of removing hair of the body of a sheep is called shearing. Shearing does not hurt the sheep because the uppermost layer of the sheep is uppermost layer of the skin of sheep is dead. Sheep are sheared in early summer so that they do not feel the heat.
Yes. Okay. Up to here, you guys.
मैम ये तो एक शॉर्ट में भी आया था ना.
But there we have done only the definition. Here we are adding some more.
मैम एक में डेफिनेशन थी और शेयरिंग से डेड तक था एक में.
हाँ जी.
Yes मैम दोनों थे.
Yes. So here we are merging both the questions. Okay. I hope you
मैम
must have
शॉर्ट आंसर को
understood.
मिला के बन गया ये.
Yes. So what Sujal told us. Sorry, my page got turned. All right. See the process, shearing, the very last line in shearing, the process, and then come to the right hand side of removing hair from the body of sheep is called shearing, and it doesn't harm the sheep because the uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Okay, sheep are reared in the early summer so that they don't feel the heat. Okay, up to here. Now let's move towards the next point of the same question. Sorting of wool. What is sorting of wool?
Page number 5.
Raise your hand simply. Beta, what about other? Now I want to hear from Pari. Yes, Pari. Pari Garg. Pari Garg, may I hear from you, Pari? Is Pari there with us today? She hasn't connected with the audio. What happened? Okay, I want to hear from Saksham.
मैम आपकी वॉइस धीरे आ रही है बहुत.
All right, wait. Saksham, you may unmute yourself. Yes, Saksham. Okay, Varsha Vishali, please tell me.
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, it is on page number 34, scoring, and the second line, the flances of sheep is thoroughly cleaned by washing with soap and a lot of water in a tank. The process of washing the flanks of sheep to remove dust, dirt, sweat, grease, etc. is called scoring. Nowadays, scoring is done by machines.
Okay. All right. So from here, from the second line, you guys have to write. Okay, second line of scouring, you guys have to start writing. Okay, up to the proper definition of scouring is being given. The piece of sheep is thoroughly cleaned by washing with soap and a lot of water. And this process of washing the sleep of to remove dust, dirt, sweat, grease.
मैम इन क्वेश्चन
मैम सेकंड पार्ट है sorting of wool.
Yes, मैम मैंने गलत बताया है. Sorting of wool है.
मैम इसमें तो scoring बताया है.
Let me check. I also
Yes,
thought
ma'am.
this is
Scoring है.
sorting, not scouring. Extremely sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorting is
Sorting है.
okay, I will tell you. Sorting is the third step. Come over there. Come to the sorting. Yes. Okay. So it is asking about the sorting of wool. Sorting क्या होता है? उनको अलग-अलग करना. Okay. Yes. The process of separating.
Qualities of from inferior quality or broken pieces is called sorting.
मैम
Yes.
inferior quality और long fine quality को अलग अलग करना.
Yes. Okay. So on the list of quality, it is being done. So this you have to write in the sorting part. Now let's move towards.
मैम मार्क करवा दो.
Yes. Next one, combing of wool.
Ma'am, may I tell this?
Removing the
Combing of wool. What about others?
called combing.
Combing of wools.
Ma'am, it is
Pari?
on page.
Pari, am I audible to you, Pari?
Speak loudly.
Pari Garg, am I audible to you? And yes, Pari. Give me the response, Pari. Pari Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer for this one. Third point of question number first log.
Yes, ma'am.
Combing. Combing.
Page number 35.
Page number
The fleece
35.
is combed to remove the. The process of removing the burrs from the fleece is called combing. The fibers are straightened in this step.
Okay. This paragraph you will write in the combing here. All right, on page number same 35 only, where the previous one was.
Ma'am,
Combing.
हम इसमें whole paragraph भी तो लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ जी, you may write in your
मैम
own
आपने
words.
पहले क्या करवाया था? मैं ऑडियो से डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी.
These questions only we were discussing, Pari. Okay. All right. Okay. So you may write in your own words. I don't want the language of the book. Now let's move towards the second long question, everyone. Write the various steps involved in the production of silk cloth from silk moth. Silk cloth from silk moth. Understand the question first. What it is asking. Steps involved in the production of silk cloth from silk moth. So do one thing.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Already.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay, you may.
Ma'am, page number 37.
Okay, everybody please open page number 37.
अनुपम चाट भंडार.
Ma'am, from
Wait for Shavishali, I'll unmute you. Unmute yourself.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
on. Yes. Start for Shavishali.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is on page number 36.
Okay, everybody please open up page number 36.
मैम सिल्क का थर्ड पॉइंट और फिर मैम ये जहाँ पे ये पॉइंट्स है ना, फर्स्ट पॉइंट द फीमेल सिल्क मोथ लेस पेल येलो एग्स ऑन द लीव्स ऑफ ट्री सच एज मलबरी ट्री स्टिक, ये चारों पॉइंट हमें लिखने हैं.
Okay, wait. Which paragraph you are telling? Make yourself clear.
मैम
Page
सिल्क
number
का
37.
थर्ड पॉइंट, ये मैम ये जो सिल्क का पैराग्राफ है ना, उसके बाद यहाँ पे कुछ थर्ड पॉइंट टाइप से लिखा हुआ है और फिर uppermost line before we discuss the process of obtaining, let us study life cycle of silk moth. और मैम इसके फोर्थ पैराग्राफ, फर्स्ट
Okay.
सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ सारे 4 पैराग्राफ हमें लिखने हैं पॉइंट्स बना के.
Okay, and you guys may do the one thing. You may go with the flowchart also, which we have made over there in short. Okay, so you do one thing already, as you guys have made this flowchart previously. Okay, from silk moth to silk cloth. That's what it is asking you now. Then why to go with such a long process? You may make this one. Okay, or you may, if you want to describe, you can describe this flowchart into your own words. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I do one thing कि इसको long से काट दो इसको क्योंकि already we have done in the short one. And अगर long में आता है then also you will be able to describe it. Okay, and write it down in your own words. If you have learned the flow chart, you will be able to elaborate it. Okay. चलिए, let's discuss the next one. Describe the process of wool production. Here you have to describe all the steps: shearing, scouring, sorting, combing, dyeing, spinning. Two lines for each you guys have to write. Okay?
Ma'am, we have to write only the definition or a whole paragraphs.
Yes, you may. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Definition and one more, any important line, as if I talk about shearing, then first you have written the definition that the process of removing hair from the body of sheep is called shearing, and it is done manually with a large razor, or it could be done with machines also, shearing machines also. Okay. One more sentence you have to add along with the definition. If I talk about sorting, then the process of separating the long fine quality of fleece from the remaining inferior quality of broken pieces is called sorting. Combing की definition दे दीजिए. The fibers are straightened by this combing step. Okay. So two lines for each you have to write. 2-3 lines.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope everybody will do this. Are you guys able to do this by your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move towards the next question now. Yes, the next question is removal of sheep wool is called shearing. Shearing is done in early summers and not in winters. Why is shearing done in summers and which value does this act show? It's a value-based question. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so 5 people have raised their hand. Not anymore. Kushal, would you like to give the answer? Okay, Kushal, I'm unmuting you. Yes, Kushal. Kushal saying you have raised your hand, beta. Please unmute yourself to give me the response. Okay, now I'm going to ask according to me only. I want to ask from Chavi. Yes, Chavi? Unmute yourself. Chavi Kamar. Start your video. Unmute yourself. Everybody start your video. Chitra Vashisht.
Then the sheep will feel cold and she may get ill.
Okay. So shearing is done in summer so that the hair of sheep may grow again before the onset of winters and protect them in cold winters. Okay, yes, you are correct. And the second part is, which value does this act show? It shows the kindness and care for the animals. We are doing the care, we are doing care for them, we are kind towards them, that's why we are thinking about them. Okay, अगर आप गर्मियों में कर देंगे तो उनको गर्मी भी नहीं लगेगी, they will not feel hot. Okay, and before winters again their hairs will grow so that it will keep them warm. Okay, all right. Now come towards the hots. If first question of hots, if we burn silk fiber, it gives a smell of burning hair. Why? If we burn silk fiber, it gives a smell of burning hair. Why? Yes, Sujal, you may answer. I'm coming to you, Sujal. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I want to ask long question में जो fourth था उसका second क्या है?
Value है ना बेटा, which value? Kindness and care for animals. Kindness
Okay, ma'am.
and care for animals.
Ma'am, बस only one line.
हाँ जी, value ही तो पूछ रहे हैं, which value is shown?
Okay, ma'am.
What happened, Devesh Motwani? Okay, if we burn silk fiber, it gives a smell of burning hair. Why? I want to hear from Saksham Sen. Saksham Sen wants to give the answer. Let me move towards Saksham. Saksham, you don't want to? Okay, I will tell you the answer for this. Pari wants to tell. Yes, Pari? Yes, Pari. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Pari is having some connectivity issue. Okay, Sujal, you may tell.
Ma'am, silk is an animal protein because ma'am वो animal protein है इसीलिए.
Yes, silk fiber on burning give a smell of burning hair.
और
Why?
हम animal
Because
को जलाते हैं तो बहुत गंदी smell आती है.
yes, it is an animal fiber which is made up of protein. Okay, it is an animal fiber which is made up of protein. So you guys may write. All right. Okay. Next, what says animal activists are against the silk production. Why? Animal activists are against the silk production. I have told you when I have explained this to you that why the animal activists are against the silk production. Yes, Asta, I will take. Yes, I want to hear from Ritika this time. Yes, Ritika, you may unmute yourself. Switch on your video. Ritika Kalwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer.
Animal activities are against the silk production because
Beta, it's not activities, it's activists. The persons who are active in you can say animals के लिए जो active हैं, the NGOs and the workers which work for animals for their welfare. Okay, हाँ जी, animal activists.
because we have to kill the silk moth for the silk production.
We have to kill the silk moth, cocoons.
Yes.
Okay, we have to kill the cocoons. A large number of cocoons which containing silkworms are boiled into hot water to loosen the silk thread. Okay, and to obtain a little amount of silk, a large number of silkworms are killed. That's why they are not in the favor of doing this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, you also share the PDF.
Is there any need?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I am only asking.
I don't think there is any need when we have discussed all the questions.
Yes, ma'am, I take the all.
Yes, everybody must have ticked. We have interacted for all the questions. Okay. What you guys were
Ma'am,
doing?
हॉट्स के दिखा दो एक बार.
What you guys were doing when we were
मैम हॉट्स का
discussing?
हॉट्स दिखा दो मैम एक बार फर्स्ट और सेकंड.
चलिए ठीक है. I'm sharing that, guys.
मैम ओनली हॉट्स.
Okay, I'm sharing. Just give me 1 second to share.
ओके मैम.
These are the notes from the very first page. Second, third, fourth. Yes, tomorrow you guys are not having any class, okay? Tomorrow is off for you guys. Just for this Saturday. I cannot say for the next one, but for this Saturday you guys are having off. I'm turning the page. Life cycle of a silk moth. Beta, in copy you have to do short first, short second, long and hots. Very short, multiple choice, and others you may do in the book only. Okay. Section A you may do in the book, and for section B, A and B questions, that is MCQs and very short, could be done in the book. Rest of the questions you have to do in the copy along with the notes. I'm turning the page. I don't know actually the Bhumika, the correct reason, but as we have got the message that tomorrow will be off for you guys, just for this Saturday. If the next Saturday will also be off, then you will get the notice. I don't know, I cannot say, but tomorrow it's off for you. Okay, so now we will meet on Monday. All right, complete this chapter. First, I'll check the copies on Monday. I can ask anyone to show their copies. Sit with your copies. Okay. This is the first page. I'm turning this page now. This is for section B. Yes, you may, Manchika. Those who want to send their work to my mail ID, they may. I will check it over there also. I may check. Okay. You may mail, send it to me to mail on mail ID.
मैम हॉलीडे होमवर्क भी मेल कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी. Holiday homework have you not submitted in the hard copy? I'm turning this page. Susan, have you not submitted? Palak, wait. Let me complete this. You want to check the first page of notes? I will show you. Don't worry. Let them check for this. All right. These are the horts, Sujal. You were asking for the horts. Okay. Now I'm going to the very first page as someone, Palak, is asking me to show the first page. Yes, Palak, you may take. Okay. This is the last page. Second last. Again, I'm turning the page. This is for the section B. Okay. I hope you guys must have done. Okay, now whose period is the next one, Sujal?
मैम
Yes.
हॉलीडे होमवर्क मैंने जमा नहीं कराया.
Why?
मैम my father has not time. Ma'am,
Your
on
father-
27. Ma'am, on 27 Monday, I will submit it. Ma'am, in this week, Papa को time नहीं है.
Okay, you may do one thing. You may send it on my mail ID only. Okay.
Ma'am, mail ID से send कर देना.
Yes, those who are, you guys may submit it to my mail ID now.
मैम 27 को सबके स्कूल में भी दे के आएंगे ना सारे होमवर्क जो भी हैं.
देख लो
मैम,
मुझे
आपको
तो आप मेल आईडी पे सेंड कर देना. आई विल चेक.
मैम आपको mail भी कर देंगे स्कूल में भी दे आएंगे. Sonia ma'am's.
Okay, Sonia ma'am's period is there. All right.